exciting over. Keeper thinks he's got it. Confident appeal as the bails fly off. Yes, we'll go upstairs here now. The third umpire has been brought into play. It's going to be touch and go decision. The keeper beats a batsman to it. Damn beast up. Wowee, that's a fiery start from the bowling side. A golden duck. Batsman disappointed. The bowler, that was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. Well, he's usually a middle order player, but seems to be a little change in the lineup. Proving to be pretty tricky conditions out here. Slippery outfield, but he nails the catch. That's the second wicket in a row. Boom, a wicket. Pretty smart here. The change of batting positions. He has to stick to the basics, though, and not try something that's too different. Oh, wicketkeepers whip the bails off in a flash. The final call is going to be the third umpires. Look at those hands move. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. Nicely driven to the offside covers, but fielder stopped it. No run. Caught. Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a...